Hey YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back here. Today I got the new sneakers, and this is for Nike SB Dunk sneakers, and this is the new colorway. If you like this color and want to copy this one, please check on my web link pureshop.ru. And also for the Nike SB Dunk sneakers, very hot this year. Also, we have so many sales on my website. You can check out and pick up any one you want. And about this one, for the shoe base is the red one. On the top got Nike, and also around the shoes got the Nike logo. Very good, and then the size level here. And about the inside, got this kind of tissue paper. One is the pure white, and another one is the black green color with the pattern there. And now let me check out the shoes. This is the color with the white and green colors. So you can have a close look. Check out the front here, the toe base. This part of the green suede material. And on the upper, this is the white temple leather. With the hose, it's very good for breathing. And around the shoe tom, got the flat shape shoelace is the white color. And around the shoe tom also is the temple leather. Outside layer, on top is unfinished cut off. And also embroidered letters here. Both embroidered letters with the same letters on the shoe tom. And this one is different, very special letters embroidered here. Normally, other Nike SB embroidered Nike, but this one is different, like this. And check out the side here. Got the Nike shoes, also with the suede and the white temple leather, green suede, and here got the white Nike embroidered here, and the white midsole. And check out the inner side, so got the same. The whole pair, the color is very unique. And this is the another actual shoelace. The back got Nike. And check out the back side. You can make both back side embroidered different letters. And also this part embroidered logo here. And also the icy blue button. In the middle got Nike there. And about the inside, you can the green shoe pad. Also got the letters and the Nike shoes and the other letters. And check out the back side of the shoe tom. Got the test. Okay, so this is the new colorway of Nike SB Dunk Low sneakers. So if you want to copy this one, please don't forget to check out on my web link. Thanks for watching. See you next time.